Hello, it's your girl CG OnTrend, and I'm back today with a new video. If you're new to my channel in good old Texas fashion, hey y'all, and if you've been here before, welcome back, and next time, bring a friend, okay? Hope you guys had a great weekend. I know I did. I just got back from Vegas, so I'm still a little elated, but I had a great time, and I can't wait to go back. Okay, so I got this wig from Amazon, and I want to thank the, I'm gonna read it because I had to write it down. I want to thank ILICY, it's ILICY, for sending me over this unit to review for them. This is a 4x4 water wave middle part wig. It's 150% density, and it's 10 inches in the color natural. This wig runs for about $55.99 over on Amazon. I will definitely link all of their information below so that you can go to Amazon and get this unit if you like it as much as I believe I'm gonna like it. So again, it is a water wave wig, so it's gonna be very low maintenance. So let's get into it. Okay, so the unit comes packaged just like any other Amazon packaging. And once I take it out of the package, okay, you get this box just like this. It's just a regular box, 100% human hair, made in China. It does not tell you, okay, it does tell you that on the bottom of the wig that it is a bob wig human hair for 100% density 10 inch. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. I think it's ILICY, and that's what I'm gonna call it. ILICY is the company. So let's go ahead and open up this unit. I'll also show you a picture on the side of what this unit is supposed to look like. So in the box, you get a pair of lashes. Zoom in on those lashes, okay, lashes. You get this little book, which I've gotten one of these before, so I'm gonna say that this is a mirror. Great, it is a mirror. So that's cute. I can use that for my desk at work or something. Okay, and then you get your hair. So let's go ahead and open up this cute little ILICY unit. Okay, this is what it looks like before I take the netting off. Okay. And I like a cute 4x4 because it's really easy to install, very quick, very low maintenance. So fresh out of the pack, I'm gonna smell it. It doesn't smell bad. It smells just like it's been like wet, then washed and left to dry, if you know what that smells like. But here's what the unit feels. It's very soft, very, very soft. Let me take this paper out because it's making some noise. So yeah, this is what the unit is looking like straight out of the packaging. And I'm here for it. Let me zoom in so you can see those curls a little bit. So the cap construction, like I said, it is a 4x4 lace. So you have your 4 inches of lace here. You have a 4-inch lace section. The lace is kind of hard. I'm not gonna say it's soft, but we'll find out when I put it on. You get a comb to the left and a comb to the right. You also get a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. So I've already have my stocking cap on. I'm not gonna do a ball cap method because again, this is a 4x4 and I don't have to. It's already cut in a middle part, but I'm sure you can move that part. So let me go ahead and adjust my straps on this unit really quickly. Again, y'all know I usually cut these combs out on the side. So I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna come right back. Got those combs all taken out, so we're gonna go ahead and put it on and see what we're working with. So fresh off the rip, the lace comes off very, very, very ashy looking, but we're definitely gonna go in and we're gonna fix that. You can definitely comb this unit back and just have it as a cute little, I mean, I like it that it's short because it's very easy, very comfortable on the head. I don't even have the back comb attached just yet, but it's very comfortable, very lightweight. I like it so far. I haven't done anything to it, haven't put any products on it. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and tint my lace and you'll see me do that. I'm probably just gonna use some, the olive oil fix-it spray to go ahead and lay it down And then I'm gonna begin probably spraying it with my water bottle. I'm just gonna add water right now. I'm probably also gonna use this Cantu Shea Butter Wave Whip Curling Mousse. It's for natural curls, coils, and waves. It's supposed to define waves and curls without the crunch.
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Dreaming about the good days when you put me first, baby. When you used to call me just to say that you miss me. Don't know how we got here, but I blame you. And I blame myself just for sticking with you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul.
Fine down with the Merlot. You know I'm on the line with the sun low. You already know the vibes when I pull up on you. Been looking at the sign like a horoscope. You say you wanna leave, but I know you don't. Talking about you wanna freeze, what we got going on. But I'm seeing through the screen what's really going on. I know how you feel, I just need you to wait on me. I wanna do less of this latency. I wanna do less of that wait and see. When I get back to the city, I hate to leave. I know it's step in away from me. Till I put it down, feel like synergy. Swear that your body the remedy. And you won't find nobody that's not me as real as me. Just to infinity. You won't find nobody better. Just to infinity. You won't find nobody better.
At first I said that I love you when you ain't say that shit back. It's kinda hard to just trust you when both your feelings don't match. Got me showing less emotions, I don't wanna get attached. Once I give you my word, I swear it ain't no going back. Once I give you my heart, you better keep that shit intact. Instead of assuming no words, girl, I'm just here stating facts. You want me to take you back, I want you to take me back. You want me to take you back, I want you to take me back. So tell me, is you gon' ride out when the chips fall? I seen too many people leave when they get hard.
Okay guys, I'm back with my final review of this ILICY 4x4 Water Wave Middle Part Wig. Now, it does say it's a middle part wig, but y'all saw what I did. I actually made it a side part and I actually like it. I think it's really cute as a side part. It could definitely be cute as a middle part, but I wanted to go for a side part just to show you a little bit of versatility with this little unit. Now, again, this unit is everyday. It is still soft. All I put on it was water and the Cantu mousse, and as you can see, I'm sure that when it dries, it's gonna have a little bit of poofiness in it. I did go ahead and blow dry some of the water out, but not all of it. But once it dries, I'm sure it will get a little bit poofy, which is cool because I like a little you know, poofiness when it comes to my units, my curly units. But do I recommend this unit? Yes, go ahead and buy it. Their store is on Amazon. I'm going to link everything down in the description box below. The unit is soft. It is big head friendly, and I'm going to say that because you can adjust the straps. 1 out of 10, I give this unit probably, I'll give it about a 9.5, only because the lace was a little bit ashy and I had to go in and put tinting spray, and it is really not pre-plucked. But with a 4x4, you really don't need it to be pre-plucked. You can go in and pluck it yourself if you like. But that's totally a preference for you. If you have any questions for me about the unit, go ahead and drop them down in the description box below. As far as shedding is concerned, I did get a little bit of shedding. Of course, I didn't wash it, nor did I bleach my knots. You can do that if you like. I'm not a fan of bleaching knots, although I have done it before. It's not really needed with a 4x4. Okay, so if you want to, be my guest. But yes, shedding, I did get a little bit, but this is a short unit, so it's really not going to matter much if it sheds a little bit. It just does not shed a lot, so that is good. Oh, you can go in and make baby hairs. You see, I did. Got me a little couple of swoops. Y'all know I like my little swoops. But yeah, anyway, let me know down in the description box what you think about this unit. Are you going to go ahead and go online on Amazon and purchase this little cutie? Because I really do feel like this is an everyday unit. You can rock this every day of the week. It's good vacation hair because it's very low maintenance if you just want something short and cute. Thank you, ILICY Hair on Amazon, for sending me this unit. Again, it does retail for $55.99, so if you want it, the link is down below. So if you like this content, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and follow me over on Instagram at OnTrend, where you will see more pictures of this cute little unit that I'm rocking from ILICY Hair. Again, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.